So we'll see the concept, structure, functioning of the attitude, behavior link, and social influence, persuasion, and characteristic feature of attitude. So we'll see concept, characteristic features, structure, component, function of attitude, behavior link, and social influence and persuasion. So what is belief? Something that is internal. इसके अंदर है. Something that is internal and supposed to be true is termed as belief. So there's a belief. Capable core belief and peripheral belief. So core belief is the preferences with respect to good and value. And if a core belief, okay, it is not easy to change. It is preferences. So you give preference to the good, to the belief, core belief based on the good and bad, and it will come your value. So values themselves are independent of the object. When you apply your value with respect to object, then it become attitude. So you want to determine the behavior of the person, you rather than studying the value, study the attitude. ये independent होता है the values. When you combine value with the object, then it becomes your attitude. So to change the behavior of person, we need to study the attitude, not the value. तो हम क्यों पढ़ रहे हैं attitude? Description, understanding, prediction and control. Suppose आपको उसको पता है, attitude पता है, तो it will be better. You will be placed in a better situation to describe the behavior of the person, and you will be in the better position to understand why they are behaving in a particular situation. And you can also predict how in the future similar situation how they are going to behave. And if you can describe, understand, and you can predict, it is easier to control them. For Swachh Bharat Mission, rather than directly implementing the policy, you will have to attack the attitude of the person. So you can describe the current situation hostile to Swachh Bharat Mission because they believe in the concept of purity and pollution. Toilets should not build inside the home. So you can describe them by understanding their attitude. So you can understand that the reason of the behavior is because of the caste and reason of purity and pollution. So you will predict that Swachh Bharat Mission will not be a success. So then you will control. Before implementing the Swachh Bharat Mission, let us focus on the attitudinal change of the people. For example, you want to increase the girl education in certain area, then you will study the people, you will study their attitude, why they are not sending the girl child to the school. So you will understand that their attitude is towards the girl child, that they should be socialized to do the homework, that is household chores. So means घर के काम, sweeping, cleaning, that is household routine work. तो इसे बोलते हैं chore. And if the girl is highly educated, it will be difficult to find the groom for the girl, and she will become a burden. And if girl is educated, the family will not be stable, and in order to ensure the stability of the family, girl should not be taught. So there will be unstable family. To make the family stable, you will think that girl should not be educated and independent. Now you understand the attitude. Now you'll try to change their attitude by moral change, morality, persuasion. So blindly implementing the policy, it won't be success too. You have to understand the behavior of the person. For example, attitude. How attitude will be important. Why we study attitude. तो ये सारे example देने हैं. How attitude can be used to implement the policy in a better way. So attitude ऐसे नहीं बन जाता. You carry an attitude towards the certain thing. It has a purpose. So attitude ऐसे नहीं बन जाता. It is the evaluation. You evaluate. So if you carry an attitude, there must be a person behind this. So randomly you don't carry attitude. For example, upper caste people maintain a attitude of hostility towards the lower caste people because they want to maintain the hegemony over the lower caste people. For example, ये object है, ठीक है? I will evaluate this object. पहले evaluate करोगे, then you will develop a attitude for this object. और जो भी attitude होगा, it will be long lasting. That will be lasting over a period of time. इसलिए बोलते हैं it is a lasting evaluation with respect to various social aspect of the life. फॉर एग्जाम्पल पर्सन का एटीट्यूड चेंज करना है, ठीक है? वो फर्नीचर बनाता है एंड यू आर एन एनवायरमेंटलिस्ट, तो आप उससे क्या बोलोगे कि फर्नीचर ही बंद कर दो? तो उससे हाँ कितने साल जीना है, 200 साल ही तो जीना है, ठीक है, तब तक चल जाएंगे. तो ही इज़ हैविंग वेरी इंडिफरेंट एटीट्यूड टुवर्ड द एनवायरमेंट. तो उसको चेंज करने के लिए आप जाओगे ग्रीन फर्नीचर, कि ना पीपल आर using the green furniture nowadays and they will want even bargain with you and they will buy it at a higher price. Green furniture is very much demand, in which the old furniture is refurbished without cutting the new trees. So he won't understand the environment, he understand the economy. So this is how you can change the attitude of the person, and it's going to be economically prosperous to that person. So you should provide them alternative so that his economic prospect also not suffered and also environment is also preserved. So banning surrogacy is not the solution. So commercial surrogacy is a source of income for many. So if you ban the surrogacy without providing an alternative opportunity to earn income, it is going to be failure. It will not stop. So attitude is the lasting evaluation. So what is democratic attitude? When you apply democratic values to an object, it becomes democratic attitude. If you apply bureaucratic value to an object, it will become bureaucratic attitude. If you apply patriarchal value to an object, it will become patriarchal attitude. So when you attach value to an object, it will become your attitude. So attitude of the attitude holder towards the object, if governed by the bureaucratic values, it's known as bureaucratic attitude. So attitude of the attitude holder, तुम बोल सकते हैं attitude of the attitude holder when governed by bureaucratic value, it is known as bureaucratic attitude. And attitude of attitude holder when governed by democratic value, it's known as democratic attitude. So what is that democratic value? Deliberation, discussion, public participation, bottom up approach. Deliberation, discussion, people participation, bottom approach. These are democratic values. So what are the demerits and merits? Bureaucratic attitude is strict adherence to the rules. So bureaucratic attitude में strong adherence होगा to the rules and law, discipline follow, good decision making, and easy to establish rules and accountability, responsibility and accountability. Demerits, red tapeism, rigidity, and status quo is they do not want to change. And they are more concerned with the rules, therefore there is a lack of citizen-centric approach, lack of people-centric approach, and lack of innovation. Democratic attitude में inclusive development, playful participation. So piecemeal engineering approach. First you study the target, then policy implementation take place. So demerits अगर देख रहे delay in decision making, difficulty in arriving consensus, and informal decision making, and populist approach, and there is a lack of informed decision making. तो पॉलिसी मेकिंग शुड भी डन है तो फास्ट चले. तो पॉलिसी मेकिंग में ब्यूरोक्रेटिक एटीट्यूड होना चाहिए. पॉलिसी इंप्लीमेंटेशन वहाँ पे डेमोक्रेटिक एटीट्यूड होना चाहिए. वेर वी इन्वॉल्व द पीपल in the policy implementation. So on the ground level, when you have to implement the policy, you have to follow the democratic attitude. For example, linking of the Aadhaar with the PDF, it should be bureaucratic, but implementation of this should be democratic. And the policy making, there should be bureaucratic attitude, and at the implementation level, for example, linking of the Aadhaar with the PDF, bureaucracy should ensure that every person's Aadhaar card is linked with the PDF ration card. But suppose 11-year-old girl died in Jharkhand because of she was unable to get the food because of the Aadhaar was not linked to the PDS. So here where the people interaction involved, the administration should follow the democratic attitude. So policy making should be bureaucratic, but field work hota that should be democratic, because given the nature of the circumstances you need to bend your rules. So 11-year-old Santoshi Kumari died crying बात. तो ब्यूरोक्रेटिक एटीट्यूड में क्या होता है, स्ट्रिक्ट चेन ऑफ कमांड्स होता है, ए से बी में, बी से सी से डी में जाना पड़ेगा. तो यहाँ पे पर्सनल आइडियोलॉजी नहीं होती है. ब्यूरोक्रेसी मीन्स न्यूट्रलिटी. तो योर पर्सनल आइडियोलॉजी शुड नॉट बी रिफ्लेक्टेड इन योर वर्ल्ड. ब्यूरोक्रेसी मीन्स न्यूट्रलिटी, इट मीन्स रैशनैलिटी. The bureaucratics has to be anonymous. They cannot be aligned to any of the political ideology. The bureaucracy is very important. It's the steel frame of the India. The bureaucratic attitude में SOP आता है, standard operating procedure. But there is agriculture development. There is a lack of employment opportunity. Or there is an obsession with the city life, and there is a relative deprivation. So that's why they demand the reservation in the government job, and it's seen as a source of security, like source of security in income and economic security. So they have a positive attitude towards the reservation under OBC. So we have to change their attitude. So we'll have to change their reason of that attitude. That is, we'll have to provide them alternative, so that they ensure their economy. That we have to ensure them income security. So person holding object वो change हो सकता है, लेकिन जो object है वो change नहीं हो सकता. तो उसे बोलते हैं subject, and इसे बोलते हैं object. तो पर्सन हु इज होल्डिंग द एटीट्यूड सब्जेक्ट एंड जिसके तरफ ले जा रहा है वो ऑब्जेक्ट है. ऑब्जेक्ट चेंज नहीं होगा, इनका एटीट्यूड चेंज हो सकता है लेकिन ऑब्जेक्ट चेंज नहीं होगा. एंड क्या होता है, लोग वर्बली नॉन वर्बली एक्सप्लेन करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल IIT की टी शर्ट पहन ली है, जमाने हो गए IT से जॉब के, लेकिन अभी भी IT टी शर्ट पहन के घूम रहे हैं टू वर्बली एक्सप्रेस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल राम, ही वॉज फ्रॉम SC, तो उसका स्टेटस क्या हुआ, सब लोग का हॉस्टाइल एटीट्यूड है. अब क्या हुआ, IAS बन गया. नाउ पीपल्स एटीट्यूड टुवर्ड्स हिम चेंज. सोशल स्टेटस वही रहेगा लेकिन पीपल एटीट्यूड will change, because now keeping the hostile attitude towards Ram will not serve their purpose, because now holding that hostile attitude will be detrimental to your identity. आप एटीट्यूड होल्ड करके रखते हो जब आपको कोई पर्पस सॉल्व होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वुमेन को बाहर अलाउ कर रहे हो, नॉट बिकॉज वी आर एम्पावरमेंट, बिकॉज आप सोच रहे हो ठीक है पैसा आएगा, ऊपर से अब घर का काम हम पे पड़ जाएगा, तो हाउस होल्ड चोर्स भी उससे करवा रहे हो. तो दिस इज योर एटीट्यूड, बिकॉज इट इज सर्विंग सम पर्पस. तो मोबिलिटी इन द सोसाइटी, आप लोअर कास्ट या हायर कास्ट में, तो सोशल इकोनॉमिक एंड पॉलिटिकल, इकोनॉमिक हो गया, ठीक है, पॉलिटिकल हो गया, ज़रूरी नहीं है सोशल स्टेटस इंप्रूव हो। तो सोशल स्टेटस रिलेटेड टू, तो सोशल स्टेटस इज योर एटीट्यूड इन द सोसाइटी और एक्सेप्टेंस इन द सोसाइटी, योर पोजीशन इन द सोसाइटी। तो सोशल स्टेटस के लिए योर एक्सेप्टेंस इन द सोसाइटी इज इंपॉर्टेंट। तो बिहेवियर इज अ कंपोनेंट द एटीट्यूड। हमें देखा वैल्यू जो होती है, ठीक है, अगर उसे ऑब्जेक्ट के साथ अटैच कर दो तो दैट विल कम योर एटीट्यूड। एटीट्यूड में 3 कंपोनेंट है, बिहेवियरल है, इमोशनल, एंड देन फिर क्या होता है आपका एक्टिंग टेंडेंसी आ जाएगी। इम्प्लीमेंट्स होंगे उसको, बिहेवियर और इमोशन को इम्प्लीमेंट करने, अगर वो ओवरकम हो जाते हैं तो यू विल हैव अ इम्प्लीमेंट, यू विल इम्प्लीमेंट एटीट्यूड। So attitude has a 3 components: first belief, emotion, and behavioral tendency. So आता discuss the CAB model. CAB model of attitude तो भी यही लिखना है. So when your attitude is irrational and negative, then it is termed as prejudice. So when your attitude is irrational, negative, and intergroup, it is known as prejudice. So what is prejudice? Prejudice is a type of attitude which is irrational, negative, and intergroup. तो प्रेजुडिस अगर आप किसी एक इंडिविजुअल के लिए पूरे ग्रुप के लिए करते हो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपको प्रेजुडिस है अगेंस्ट द वुमेन, फॉर एग्जाम्पल प्रेजुडिस अगेंस्ट लो कास्ट पीपल, प्रेजुडिस अगेंस्ट द ब्राउन पीपल, प्रेजुडिस अगेंस्ट ब्लैक पीपल, प्रेजुडिस अगेंस्ट मुस्लिम, तो पूरे ग्रुप के लिए होता है, तो दिस प्रेजुडिस। तो प्रेजुडिस में भी होता है बिलीव, इमोशन एंड बिहेवियरल टेंडेंसी। इस बिलीव को बोलते हैं स्टीरियोटाइप। स्टीरियोटाइप क्या होता है? रिजिड, इरेशनल, ओवर जनरलाइजिंग, इग्नोर इंडिविजुअल डिफरेंसेस। So if you have a prejudice attitude, you have to change your belief. Your belief is a stereotype. So belief से ही इमोशन आते हैं, इमोशन से behavioral tendency आती है। अगर आपको stereotype है, किसी belief है, prejudice है, तो आप hate, disgust, apathy, hostile हो गए। behavioral tendency की violence, indifferent behavior. So your belief will change if I provide you counter evidences on a sustainable basis. Then it will become, I will provide you counter evidences over a period of time, and at a point of time, it will be difficult for you to hold your belief. Then you will have left with no option but to change your belief. For example, you have a discrimination against women. You are in the dowry, you are discriminating against SC/ST. So then there is a SC/ST Act, a Prohibition of Dowry Act. So there will be a law to control your behavioral tendency, but does not mean their beliefs and emotion will change. So if there is a loophole in the law, so your behavioral tendency will be according to your emotions and belief. So your behavior will be back to square one. So justice delays, justice denies. So irrespective of the law, your behavioral tendency is not changing. So it is not curbing discrimination because your belief and emotion has not changed. तो सोसाइटी वाले पेपर में बता देते कि हाँ एटीट्यूड नीड टू बी चेंज, एंड एथिक्स में बताते हैं हाउ एटीट्यूड नीड टू बी चेंज. So when your fools are used, that prejudice is something that fools are used to justify reason. Voltaire, for example, your prejudice are irrational, negative, and intergroup. You are using racism, casteism, intergroup rivalry, interreligious rivalry. This you are a fool, and you are justifying this on the name of the prejudice means you are a fool, according to Voltaire. So laws are not only challenging your behavioral tendency but are not targeting the belief and emotion component. So any kind of loophole and leniency in the law implementation, so any kind of loophole or lack of deterrence, the chances of prejudice attitude is very permanent. For example, need change कर दिया, for example reservation चाहिए, so reservation is the and रिजर्वेशन इज़ द मीन्स, एंड क्या है? टू गेट अ जॉब्स, टू गेट द इनकम सिक्योरिटी. तो उनका एंड बदल देंगे, दैट विल हैव टू फोर्स एग्रीकल्चर, सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट, स्किल सिक्योरिटी चाहिए ना, जॉब सिक्योरिटी. तो आप जॉब पे फोकस ना करके स्किल्स पे फोकस करो. उनका नीड चेंज कर देंगे तो उनका एटीट्यूड चेंज हो जाएगा. तो अगर आप नीड चेंज कर दो या नीड वही रहे, आप अल्टरनेटिव सजेस्ट कर दो. ये रिजर्वेशन नहीं, ये मांगो. तो वहाँ पे सोसाइटी में चुप हो जाते थे कि एटीट्यूड चेंज करना है. तो यहाँ पे आप बताओगे एटीट्यूड कैसे चेंज करना है? आइदर आई विल चेंज योर नीड और आई विल प्रोवाइड यू अल्टरनेटिव एटीट्यूड विच विल सर्व योर नीड बेटर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप एक क्लास में गए, कोएड कॉलेज था लेकिन वहाँ पे एक ही लड़की है या लड़कियाँ हैं नहीं, तो आप बोले कि यार गर्ल्स आर नॉट गुड इन साइंस. तो आप एक नॉलेज होल्ड कर रहे हो जस्ट बिकॉज आप जस्टिफाई कर रहे हो कोई चीज़ को. So maybe this knowledge might not be true, but is helping you understand the situation. That's why you're holding that knowledge. That's why you're holding that attitude. So maybe that thing is not true, but this knowledge helps you understand what is the motive behind your behavior. For example, of cigarette, you see a lot of people smoking, and you see stress चला जाता है, तो this might encourage you to smoke.